All right, so today we're going to talk about the new refrigeration offering from Bosch. They recently launched their 100 series of cooking and kitchen appliances. It's going to be more of an entry-level price point, so you still have that great Bosch quality at a more affordable price. So this is going to have some really neat features on it, or more of the convenient features. External ice and water. The unit will be available in counter depth or full depth. And then the layout on the interior of it has some nice features. You're going to have gallon storage on the doors, split shelving on the inside. Ice maker will be located up here in the upper section, which will give you larger ice capacity. And then this also has a quick ice function on it where you can produce up to 8 pounds a day. It doesn't necessarily store 8 pounds, but if you're going through it, you don't have to worry about running out during your parties and such. And then, of course, it's only available handleless, so it's pretty androgynous. You'll have the little Bosch logo here, but you can really mix and match this in any kitchen that you'd like to. It's not going to stand out. And then the full depth one that we're looking at here has ample freezer space with full extension drawers. So if you're looking for a refrigerator from a brand that is really known for quality, you can take a look at this, and it's going to promo pretty heavily around the holidays. So if you want to know a little bit more about the Bosch 100 series refrigerator or any of the other cooking appliances, check it out at donsappliances.com.